Namaste, how are you doing? If you are practicing yoga, you must have heard about pranayama, have you? If you are thinking a pranayama is a breath work, breathing exercises, I'm sorry to say that is far from the truth. That is why I'm bringing a workshop in that I put all my lifelong learnings of pranayama in this 2-hour workshop package that I want to offer you and invite you for on 2nd of May at 10 a.m. in the morning. This is a Saturday, beautiful morning. In that, you are going to learn all the essentials of pranayama practice, this tool and technology to uplift your consciousness. In Patanjali Yoga Sutra, it is explained as a tool, as a technology to experience the higher dimensions. We are not going to talk about the spirituality just out of the box, but we will talk how it will impact your physical, mental, and psychological health. How you start to sleep better, how you will start to eat better, how you will start to think better. Your focus will be very, very sharp. Your creativity will be really, really bright. So just by doing those practices of pranayama, you will uplift every experience of your life. And I want to invite you for this workshop that I will be offering on the 2nd of May. The spots are very few. It will be online via Zoom, so you can stay at your home and have the practice and learn from it and use it in your life. Whether you are new to yoga or you are going to practice it, if you are new to meditation or you are planning to practice it, I'm telling you, this is going to benefit you so much. You can find all the details below, and I look forward to hearing and seeing you on this workshop. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.